In this video, I will show you how to change default browser on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and open any browser app that is installed on iPhone. I have Safari and Chrome installed on my iPhone. So if same is the case with you, then you can open any browser app. Here you will find an option Default Browser App. Tap on it and you will find all the installed web browsers on your iPhone. Just select the one which you want to set as default web browser and your iPhone's default web browser preference will be updated. So that is how you can change default browser on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.